Go open up the faucet in the kitchen. Gotta let air in.
Faucet up. Outside. I don't think I turned that. I know I had a hose on there and water was coming out.
You gotta turn this. Whole bunch of turns.
A whole bunch of turns?
The further you turn, the opener it gets. Yeah, you didn't drain the water heater.
No.
When you took
So
the
you
water...
drain the water heater before you take the line off on the inside.
Yeah, to put the bypass back on.
Now, is there any water in there?
No.
Where does the water go that we filled into there?
Did you put any water in the tank?
Yes.
Did you pull that little valve back up and let it all drain out?
What little valve?
That one that you had to push down to stop it from dripping on the ground.
Ray saw that. So there's a little valve in there you got to pull up.
Mm-hmm.